Hello everyone. This is the 11th video of Vedic Mathematics wherein you'll be learning how to multiply the two-digit numbers ending with 5. Very simple trick. So let us get ready for that. I hope you have your pen and papers with you. Please keep noting down. By now you should have made a notebook wherein you have noted down the small hints of calculation for the first 10 videos, and this is the 11th one. So please ensure if you've not done that, make a notebook, start watching the videos from 1 to 10, and this is the 11th one, and note down the tricks in one notebook. That's going to make you calculate faster, and don't forget to practice. Now just see, when we have to multiply the two-digit numbers ending with 5, what kind of numbers we can have? We can have, for example, 45 multiplied by 65 or 55 multiplied by 85. Now, what is the major difference in these two? The method of solving both of them is different. So let us take the first one, for example, 45 into 65. Now I will focus on the digits which are before 5, that is 4 and 6. Now add 4 and 6. Okay, just take these two numbers, add 4 and 6. What do you get? You get the answer as 10. 10 is even or odd? 10 is for sure even. So the sum is even, so the last two digits of my answer will be 25. Whenever you have the two digits before 5, their sum coming out to be an even number, your answer will always be 25 in the end. So if I just want to start writing down my answer, I will just note down the last two digits come out to be 25. Now, what are the digits before that? Let us try to find that. The digits before that I will get by taking the product of these two numbers, 4 and 6, that is 24, and adding their average. Average means 4 plus 6 by 2. So that means 4 plus 6 by 2 means I will take 4 into 6 is 24. 24 plus 4 plus 6 is 10. So 24 plus 10 by 2. That means 24 plus 5, which comes out to be 29. So my answer comes out to be 2925. So 2925 is my answer. Let us take another question of the same type. Now let us take 55 into 85. Now same way, focus on the digits before 5. Digits before 5 are 5 and 8. So what do? I take both of them, I add them. 5 plus 8 is 13. So the sum is coming now equal to how much? Odd. And so the last two digits of my answer will come out to be 75. So remember, when it was even, the last two digits came out to be 25. When the sum of these two digits is odd, the answer will have the last two digits as 75. Okay, so I've written 75 as part of my answer. What will come here? Again, the same way I will do. I will take the product of 5 and 8. Product of 5 and 8 I will take, and to that I will add the sum minus 1 divided by 2. Because it's odd, I cannot divide it directly by 2 to get a complete number. So I will subtract 1. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 upon 2 will come out to be 6. Product of 5 and 8 comes out to be 40. So I get 5 into 8 plus 13 minus 1 by 2. So I get 40 plus 12 by 2. That is 40 plus 6, which is equal to 46. So my answer comes out to be 4675. Wasn't it simple? Let's get to sum up the whole thing. Remember, if I have a number A5 multiplied by B5, this can be 25 into 35 or 45 into 55 or 55 into 95. Whatever this A and B is, you can see that. How do we write? I first of all see, I take the digits A and B and I take them and I add them. If A plus B, the sum is coming out to be even or odd, according to that my method changes. If the sum is coming out to be even, the last two digits of my answer will be 25. So remember, even means 25. Okay. Next, so P plus S by 2 will give me the other digits of my answer. P is what? The product of A and B. S is what? The sum of A and B. So I get my answer as product plus S by 2 followed by 25. That will be my answer if the sum of A plus B is coming out to be even. Let us take the case when A and plus B is coming out to be odd. So if the sum is odd, the last two digits of my answer will be 75 and the other digits will be given by what? P plus S minus 1 by 2. Remember, it is S minus 1 by 2. That will give me the other two digits of the answer. As usual, P is the product of A and B, and S is the sum of A and B. So I hope you have followed. Any number you take, I'm sure you'll be able to understand. So watch the video again in case you have any doubt. Thank you so much.